In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get real-time NSE data in TradingView. First, know that TradingView doesn't provide free real-time data for the National Stock Exchange. Instead of official live ticks, we'll use community-built tools inside TradingView to get practical, near-live context. Here's how to find and add them. Open any chart in TradingView and click the Indicators button at the top. This brings up the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies panel where you can search everything available to enhance your chart. In the search bar, type NSE. That narrows the list to NSE-related results. You'll see items from the built-in library and your own favorites, but for this method, we want the scripts shared by other traders. Switch to the Community section in the panel. This view shows public indicators and strategies referencing NSE symbols or offering utilities for tracking them. Take a moment to scan titles, read the short descriptions, and note ratings or user counts so you can judge reliability before adding anything. When you spot an NSE indicator you want to try, click it once. It will be added to your chart immediately. If it's an overlay, you'll see plots or labels appear on price. If it's an oscillator, it will open in a separate pane below. Most scripts include a settings icon, so you can customize inputs like the specific symbols, display style, or refresh behavior to suit your workflow. A few quick tips as you explore. Read the description and comments to understand how the script sources and updates data and whether any delay is expected. Cross-check values with an official reference to confirm they're close enough for your purpose. If you like what you see, click the star to favorite the script for easy access later. If it doesn't help, remove it with a single click to keep your workspace clean. To recap, the flow is simple. Open Indicators, type NSE, go to the Community section and click an NSE script to add it to your chart. This approach won't replace an official exchange subscription for guaranteed tick-by-tick accuracy, but it's a practical way to work with NSE-focused tools directly inside TradingView.